Hello there, how are you? Today we are going to learn how to play April Sun in Cuba by Dragon. Stay tuned, I'll be back in a second. Alright, thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it. We're going to kick it straight off today with this A major chord. So what we've got is we've got a third finger there on A, 7th fret of the D string, second finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and that is the 5th fret of the E string. So we've got, but the trick of it is that, you hear those two, the same, and that's an A at the bottom. So it's a nice big open A chord. Now, the first chord he hits is a A sus4, so you just need your little finger to pop in there over the top of the C sharp for a D. That's the 4th of A, and we're just going to hit 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right, so. Alright, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, and then we're going to release our little finger and play. Okay, so just have a little go at that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now the rests, so all the mutes that I'm doing in the back of my right hand here are pretty important, because if you have, it doesn't sound as good, right? So we've got 1 and stop, 1 and stop, and 2 and stop there, and then the last one. Okay, so that is the riff in the verse. So after we play that first riff, we're going to go into the chorus. We've got a little pre-chorus first with a bunch of chords. It's going to come in on the and after the 4 of the riff. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that is a D. So I'm playing an A-shaped bar chord there. You could play a regular D if you weren't happy with playing that bar chord. Okay, so we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So those chords there, D major, 1 and 2 and C sharp minor. So that's 4 and then 6, 6, 5. A minor shaped bar chord. A B minor, which is another A minor shaped bar chord, and then an A. Now, I'm a bit naughty there, you know, all the books tell you to do that, but you'll find heaps of people do this. The reason is that if you're playing a shuffle or any kind of riff that is centered around A, you can play just, you've got A there, so, blah, blah. All right, so we've got 1, so we've got and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay. Then we're going to hit the chorus. The chorus starts with one of the most beautiful chords on the guitar. It's a G major 7. Okay, so what I've got here is G major. Always worth knowing a little bit of chord theory. The 7, all the numbers you'll find in the chords are just basically numbers out of the scale. So in G major we've got G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp is the 7. So what we're going to do is put a F sharp on the top of the chord, right? So we've got a G major, here's an F sharp. Easy peasy. If you want to make it different, you put a D there, so the spelling of that is 1, 3, 5, major 7. Okay, so we have take me to the D. Okay, now if that is a bit awkward for you to get to, or that is a bit awkward for you to get to, because we've just gone 1 and 2 and, sorry, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. What I have tended to do when I've played this before is your second finger will fit nicely there on the low G, and your first finger will fit nicely there on the 2nd fret of the E string, which is F sharp, so major 7. And just lie your second finger over that A string. bingo, there's the chord. So, G major 7. And it just plays throughout the bar, and then on the and after the 4, so you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1. Okay, so that was 1 and 2. Easy peasy, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and I did a little skip there, which I shouldn't have done. That is the riff, but it's tempting to put some semiquavers in there. This is not how the record goes. Doesn't do that, okay? Don't do it. Alright, and that is how you play April Sun in Cuba by Dragon. Please do subscribe, click the like button, share this video. If you're able to support the channel from only $3 a month US, please go visit patreon.com/Simon Morell, where you can access this and over 3,000 other charts. 3,000. Alright, thanks very much for watching this short video. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. Bye!